Welcome back. 5:15 on this Tuesday morning. It is a weather alert day, and that's because we are expecting strong to severe thunderstorms to develop later on this afternoon into the evening hours. Primarily after 3 p.m. we could have that threat here in our area of the severe thunderstorms, and they could potentially bring all hazards when it comes to severe weather. Remember, a thunderstorm is only considered severe if it produces one or all of these things. It just needs to produce a damaging wind gust of 58 miles per hour or greater, hail up to the size of quarters or larger, and then if it does produce a tornado, it is automatically a severe thunderstorm. So let's time those out for you on our Futurecast model here, where you can see mainly dry conditions for us here in central Maryland and most of the eastern shore. We stop here at lunchtime today because it still keeps us pretty dry here, but mainly overcast. If this remains the case, this could hinder our threat for severe weather, but I do believe we'll have some breaks in the clouds for just enough sunshine to come through to heat things up. So as you see here, by 7 p.m., this model bringing multiple clusters of thunderstorms here in our area. And this is where we could have that threat for severe weather. Those storms may sort of organize or congeal together and form a longer line segment later on tonight. But by the time it happens, it'll probably be south and east of here. Either way you look at it, storms are likely later on today into tonight. After 11 p.m., closer to midnight and beyond that, all of this activity will wind down. It may take some time though, and by tomorrow morning there could be a lingering shower around, but a mainly dry start to your Wednesday. Now, Wednesday afternoon, the cold front that we've been tracking since yesterday and today, that finally swings through tomorrow, and that may actually trigger an additional round of rain or thunderstorms out there. However, it looks like most of that activity will likely be anywhere along I-95 and points east. And if you're looking at the time here, this is 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, where those thunderstorms, when those thunderstorms, I should say, could form. And it looks like they could last until about 9-10 p.m. based on this model, which is just one model of the several that we look at when we come to forecasting information about the weather here. So overall today, the main focus is the risk for severe weather this afternoon and evening. Again, while everyone in our viewing area is under that level 3 out of 5 threat, I do believe damaging wind is going to be the primary one. So 58 mile per hour winds, if not greater, could knock down trees or cause tree damage, knock down power lines, and cause power outages. So once again, we could be dealing with quite a bit of a mess out there this afternoon and this evening. Tomorrow, as the cold front comes through, that severe risk shifting south of here. So just kind of breaking down your rain chances again, isolated instance of rain moving in between 9 and 1 p.m. Afterwards, that's where the chance really increases throughout today. Definitely a guarantee we'll see some rain and thunderstorms. Tomorrow, scattered showers, a few storms here and there as the cold front pulls through, but based on timing, we may still make it to 87 degrees. Then cooler and less humid late this week, looking spectacular Thursday, Friday, even into most of the weekend. Each morning we could start out in the 60s and afternoon highs only in the low to mid 80s. So